Good.
2, 1. Hey,
Hi, it's Amanda Eckart.
Donna McEwen.
Mike Ambrosi.
And
We're
Beth Haiti behind the camera.
We are here in front of the Chamber of Commerce. We just finished making one of our Friday videos that we've gotten into the habit of doing because we love showcasing our beautiful village and a lot of the things that are so much fun to take advantage
We
of.
like to share our love with everybody else.
Every week, and that is part of our business plan and selling the community when people are looking at homes. And so what we are asking for is a way to enhance our videos that we've started, and we would love to buy a drone. Now, the photographer that we use charges $150 to $200 per drone shoot, and we could get a pretty decent drone for about the $1,000 that is being offered. How would that affect our videos, Mike?
Well, I think visual media is where the marketing is going these days. Everybody wants to see something on Snapchat, YouTube, Facebook, so it's all about video. With having so many wonderful events and a beautiful surrounding here in Port Jefferson, our ability to showcase those individual events and make Port Jefferson, as we know, a destination for a lifetime, more appealing to folks.
It would just look that much better. It would
Absolutely.
look
It
so
certainly would. It certainly would. And everybody likes to nowadays do everything from their couch,
True.
in the privacy of their own home, and look and feel. And if they get that inspired by our videos or our photographs, it might make them pick up the phone and want to go look at the house.
So
or
help
the
us
property, or come down to Port
help you promote Port Jefferson and get us a drone.
Yay! Happy Friday, everybody.
How's that?